Hello everyone. Before we start, please excuse my background because I am now staying in my Lola. But in this video, I am going to show you how I build a queue using a doubly linked list in Java. We will walk through the code step by step so you can really understand how each part works, from creating nodes to enqueuing, the queuing, and displaying the queue. So let's get started. Let's begin with the node class. This is the basic unit of our doubly linked list. Each node stores three things: the actual data, a reference to the next node, and a reference to the previous node. That's why it's called a doubly linked list. We can move both forward and backward through the list. Now, we will look at the doubly linked list class. This is where the actual queue operations happen. We use two pointers, which are the head and the tail. Head points to the front of the queue and the tail points to the rear. When the queue is empty, both are set to null. Let's see how we add a new element to the end of the queue. First, we create a new node. If the queue is empty, we point both head and tail to this new node. Otherwise, we attach the new node to the end. Update the current tail's next pointers and move the tail to the new node. Now, let's see how to remove an element from the front of the queue. If the queue is empty, we just return null otherwise. We store the data at the head, move the head to the next node, and clean up the links. If there's still a node left, we remove its backward link. If not, the queue is now empty, so we also set tail to null. So now, we're going to test our program, which is the queue event driven. So build, operations complete, run. So as you can see, I have here my queue operations menu. The first one is enqueue, the second one is the queue, third one display queue, the last one is the exiting program. So enter a choice. Choice number 1, enqueue. We have to enter an integer, so we put 10. 10 was enqueued, we enqueue another number. 11 was enqueued, we input another number. 12 was enqueued, another number. 14 was enqueued. So now we're going to the queue. So before we the queue, we have to display first what are the numbers we enqueued earlier. So enter your choice, 3. So the numbers that we queue earlier are the 10, 11, 12, and 14. Now, we're going to the queue those numbers. So we start to the queue to number 10. So enter your choice, 10 was the queued. The queued another number, 11 was the queued. 12 was the queued. 14 was the queued, and of course, if the program is empty, queue is empty and cannot dequeue. And now, we will try to display if there is queued number to our program. So, enter your choice, 3, queue is empty. So we queue another number, 12. 12 is unqueued, display. So we have here queued 12. Now we try a number that is not part of our menu. So we're going to try 5. So invalid choice. Please try again. Select a number from 1 to 4. So I think we're done here. So exit the program. Exiting the program. Thank you. So that's how this program works. We built a functional queue using a doubly linked list with a user-friendly menu for interaction. This is a great example of combining data structure with simple user input handling. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how it all fits together. Thank you.